Hey guys, I'm here at Delray Beach. I found a great procedure called RestorInk. It's going to help me with my receding hairline, and I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out.
Yeah, and tell me what areas of focus are most interesting to you, or what areas are bothering you the most you would like us to fill in?
Well, Jeff, with me, I've got the typical male pattern baldness, and I've specifically the horseshoe pattern at the back, which I would love them to just blend out for me and make it look uniform and like I just had a buzz cut.
All right, awesome. So we'll spend most of our time working in that back area. We'll start to have it run up towards the front and then eventually recreate a hairline for you as well.
Awesome, Jeff. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
All right, well, we're excited to see your results.
So hair loss has affected me where I felt much older than what I actually am. And I guess that definitely played a role in my confidence and the way I was seeing myself. So the history of my hair loss, I think it was a genetically thing. I noticed my parents, my father and my grandfathers, they, were all bald, and I definitely knew it was like something that was coming for me. I don't know, it probably hit me a little bit earlier than what I think that hit them. I started experiencing it at around 28, and then 29, 30, it just became thinner and thinner, and that's when I started researching it. And then I realized, like, maybe if I can just shadow in some of these empty spots, that'll be a really nice look. But how can I just give that illusion of it being a little bit more thicker? And then that's when I started looking into RestorInk. The solution works very well with my lifestyle, actually. I'm a very active guy. I'm cycling or even surfing, and I play a lot of golf, and I wear caps and in and out. So I didn't have a lot of time for something to slow me down. Like, I could go into the ocean, I can come off, I can wipe a towel off it. It's always there, it's not going anywhere. So it definitely fits nice with my lifestyle. One of the best things that I've done in my life is come to a hair club, take the leap of faith, commit to it, and get my image back to where it used to be.